I want to take you back to a few months ago. Something happened that had the entire world mesmerized and transfixed. For 69 days, the world stood still while we waited for the fate of 33 men trapped underground in a mine in Chile. You remember that? They were trapped more than 2,000 feet under the surface of the earth, over 600 meters. They were there for 69 days before they were rescued. No one has ever lived that long underground. Groups from around the world gathered to try to help support the miners and the miners' family. It even went so far as NASA deployed a team to help dealing and coping with the effects of such long periods of time of isolation. Well, that rescue was a tribute to human faith, to ingenuity, and yes, to engineering. Sujan Patel is with us, and Rudy Lyon. Sujan is the senior design engineer and CAD administrator at SRAM. Sujan's on the front row, and Rudy Lyon, R&D manager of CenterRock, joins us too. They played, and their teams played, a critical role in rescuing those miners. SRAM is based in Pennsylvania. They are a leading manufacturer They're a leading manufacturer of drilling rigs, and those rigs are used to supply equipment for mining, energy, and geothermal businesses. People don't know this, but SRAM drilled the first tunnel that identified where the miners were located. They found the miners, and that tunnel was their lifeline for 69 days. They also built the Plan B tunnel, and a lot of people don't know this, but Plan B means what it says. The Plan A tunnel got all of the attention and support and resources. That was the primary tunnel that was being drilled to rescue the miners. SRAM worked on Plan B. Plan B was the tunnel that found and rescued the miners. The drill bit was supplied by CenterRock, another great SolidWorks customer. They have a pneumatic drill that literally chips away at the rock like a jackhammer. Their CEO, Brandon Fisher, even went on site to Chile, and he stayed there side by side that entire period of time to personally monitor the effort. Halfway through the drilling effort, the drill bit failed because it turned out that the rock was far harder than anyone could have predicted, and not a lot of people know about that. This is when human ingenuity really kicked in. They had to somehow rescue and pull out the broken bit because it had snapped off underneath. They opened up SolidWorks on site, they designed a new bit, sent the files back home to Pennsylvania, and only 3 days later, 3 days, they were back up and running. Now, in normal circumstances, that effort would have taken 4 weeks. That was the difference between life and death. But there's more. CenterRock used SolidWorks and gyroscopic data to plot the course to find where the miners were located. Think about that, 2,000 feet underground to find a room about the size of your living room. Incredible precision. Another SolidWorks customer, Oakley, provided 35 pairs of their Oakley radar sunglasses. As you may recall, when you saw the miners coming out, they were wearing heavy, dark sunglasses. The on-site medical team was afraid that because of the light deprivation, their retinas would suffer irreparable harm. And so they provided the glasses that protected the miners' eyes. Great story. Oakley lens, designed and manufactured in SolidWorks. Well, every day, engineers design products. You design products that improve the quality of life. But quite frankly, sometimes you save lives.